It's fun and fearless.
Mom, can you play the fireworks?
New Year's and 4th of July, the kids are always begging to play with fireworks. So instead of just telling them no, I figured I needed to learn more about it. So I'm here with a licensed fire technician and the fire marshal of Austin, Texas to find out more. I'm not sure if this is what I should be wearing playing fireworks.
Did you know this is 100 degrees out? We are in Texas. Wow. Are you sure this is necessary?
What makes TV this fun?
Life is all about dreaming big and embracing life. Find the career of your dreams at flexjobs.com. They've got hundreds of jobs, all with great pay and flexible hours. And the best thing is you get to work in your PJs and still have time to go to the park.
So we're here to do a little pyrotechnics testing. Should be fun. We're going to find out what we have to do to make working with fireworks safe. Open this. Open this. And they are ready to go. Are you ready, Firefighter? Go drum and put it out. Okay, 3, 2, 1, firing now.
Not on fire, am I? So what did I learn today? For one thing, never let your kids play with fireworks unsupervised. Number 2, always have a fire extinguisher handy when you're using fireworks. Number 3, always know the phone number and directions to your nearest emergency room. Number 4, never stand over a firework and light it. Always kneel down and run away. Number 5, make sure you check with your local fire department to find out if fireworks are even allowed. Even a bucket of water or a bottle of water can help in an emergency. Remember, fireworks can be dangerous, but next time your kids ask if they want to use them, they can be fun. Just follow the safety rules.